During the last week, we started proceedings with a good bump up on Monday, owing to favorable global cues. However, this excess was short-lived as we witnessed a gradual profit booking thereafter. Until Thursday's first half, index kept gyrating in a very slender range. But post the deferment of Supreme Court's verdict with respect to AGR dues, markets joined hands with global peers. And since they were trading deep in red, the Nifty breached the support of 10,000. In fact, things worsened when US markets plunged more than 5% on Thursday. This resulted in a massive gap down opening in our markets on Friday. Fortunately, our markets saw V-shaped recovery thereafter, and in the remaining part, we witnessed a strong bounce to end the week with a couple of percent loss against the previous week. During last two sessions, our market was undergoing a consolidation phase, but the range widened a bit towards the back end. Broadly speaking, in the midst of all this, our market retraced recent up move and managed to reclaim the crucial support of 9900 in a matter of few trading hours. The trend-changing level was 9900, and although it was breached intraday, we will give more weightage for closing levels. Nifty has now not only reclaimed it on a closing basis, but with Friday's close, it has been deferred on weekly basis as well. Hence, we continue to remain a bit and consider this decline as a retracement of the recent up move, which was very much needed to provide the strength for the next leg of the rally. As far as supports are concerned, 9900 continue to be seen as the support on closing basis. But with Friday's move, we can mention a slightly bigger support of 95.44 for the coming week. On the high side, we expect Nifty to again go back towards recent highs of 10,150 and 10,300, or may even head towards 10,600, 10,800 levels. One of the key rationale behind the hypothesis is the overall positioning of the Bank Nifty. Couple of weeks back, we could see confirmation of a positive crossover in RSI smoother on the weekly chart. Historically, it's proven that when this kind of crossover happens in this oscillator, it has the tendency to give bigger moves, and hence this observation is adding conviction to our optimistic stance. Also, it would be unfair to throw some light on the mid-cap index, which has given remarkable move on Friday and thereby indicates a strong move in the offering. Thank you.